What's up everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel where I edit stock photo of cars and turn them into custom build. And for today's virtual build, I'm editing the latest flagship in Aston Martin arsenal, the 2019 DBS Superleggera. Before I talk more into the car, I just want to say that this artwork was for an anti-purist mega collab with a group of virtual tuners and 3D renderers called Vandals. You can check them out, I leave the links in the description below. Really talented group of artists. Now back to the topic, the name Superleggera, an Italian word for super light, fits well with the car due to its lightweight materials, carbon fiber body, and it weighs around only 1.7 tons. That's lighter than DB11 and Vanquish S. For the performance, a sweet 5.2-liter V12 engine with bi-turbo powering at 715 horsepower. That's more powerful than the Dodge Viper ACR. You put this engine and its lightweight together, this car gives top speed of 339 km per hour. It is the most powerful Aston Martin ever built and it's their latest flagship car. For the designs I made to the car, the most obvious part was I removed the headlights, I installed LED lights around the grille and on the grille, and I installed chassis mount rear wing, side exhaust and a custom body kit and an abstract camo to complete the car. I hope you enjoy the rest of the editing process and the final outcome. If you want to see more of my artworks, you can check out in my channel. Don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you know when my next video will be released. If you want to follow me in social media, I'll leave the links in the description below. Hope you enjoy my video and I see you in the next one.